Welcome to our discussion on short selling stocks and what to expect in 2024. In this video, we'll explore short selling, its benefits, the potential for a market crash in 2024, and the associated risks. Short selling is when an investor borrows stocks from a broker and sells them, hoping to buy them back at a lower price later. If the price drops, they can buy back the stocks, return them to the broker, and keep the difference as a profit. Short selling plays a role in the market by potentially uncovering companies that are overvalued or engaging in wrong practices. Looking at 2024, many experts feel stock prices might hit all-time highs, especially with expectations from the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates. However, there's a worry about the economy entering a recession due to past financial tightening. The market could see the worst crash since 2008 crisis, or even a more severe one similar to 1929, primarily due to a large debt bubble created by previously low interest rates. In 2023, numerous companies were struggling to repay debts as interest rates increased, making borrowing costlier. A surge in corporate debt defaults could severely impact stock prices. If combined with a deep recession, we could see nearly $1 trillion in debt defaults. Additionally, parts of the S&P 500, particularly in the tech sector, appear overvalued after massive investments in the Magnificent Seven tech giants. Apple and Microsoft, two of the biggest companies by market value, saw their stock prices rise significantly. Apple by 46% and Microsoft even more at 59%. Tesla doubled in value and Meta saw an incredible increase of 180%. Their success is largely due to their involvement in fast-growing areas like advanced software, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. Over the last 10 years, these 7 tech giants have outperformed the S&P 500 by a large margin. They have a lot of cash, strong cash flow, and great leadership. However, the success of these Magnificent Seven companies is starting to remind people of past market bubbles. The enthusiasm for big trends like AI has helped boost these stocks. Plus, good economic data and the chance of lower interest rates next year have added to the excitement. If you believe that what goes up must go down, it might seem like a good time to sell and take profits. But let's look back at 2022, a tough year where these companies lost nearly half of their value. So over 2 years, the recent gains look more like a recovery than just a rapid increase. It's important not to base decisions solely on past performance or the latest news. Depending on the time frame, the story can look very different. These companies are strong, have a long-term growth potential, and can do well in different market conditions. They deserve their high valuations. Even so, now might be a good time to explore other parts of the market that aren't getting as much attention. Make sure your investments are spread out across different types of stocks to reduce risk.
From the beginning of time, in periods of financial instability, everyone has sought the most secure way to store their money. Switzerland has proven that no matter what, Swiss banks will always keep your money safe. Switzerland is so confident in its banks that it even guarantees to return up to 100,000 Swiss francs to every client in the event of a bank collapse. People used to think that only the super rich could afford to have a Swiss bank account, and that the only way to open one was to fly to Switzerland on a private jet and meet in person with a bank manager. Well, that's not true, not anymore. Swiss bank Dukascopy offers its services to everyone. Not only can you easily open an account fully online, but it's also absolutely free. There's no monthly fee, no minimum deposit requirements. You can enjoy an IBAN in 23 currencies, plastic and virtual cards, one-click investments, saving accounts, blockchain operations, P2P exchanges, and many other features with your Dukascopy bank account. No matter where you are, if you have your ID card or passport with you, the entire process will take about 5 minutes. Simply scan this QR code or use the link in the description, fill out the form, and then make a video call with the bank operator or scan your document with the back of your phone if it's compatible. That's it! Your Swiss bank account will be active the same day. Moving on.
Despite some optimism about the market, fears of a major crash are rising. According to Yale's US Crash Confidence Index, 61% of large investors see a significant chance of 1987-style crash. Unpredictable, high-impact events, known as black swan events, remain a concern. One of the most significant risks is the increasing geopolitical tension around the world. If these tensions escalate into war, the impact on the global economy could be catastrophic. But even in the event of a major major armed conflict, some stocks might continue their rise. The machinery industry is one to watch, and Caterpillar Inc. is a prime example. Do check our video on Caterpillar stocks. You'll find the link in the description. Remember, all investments come with risks, including market volatility and geopolitical uncertainties. To sum up, while short selling presents opportunities for profit, it also carries substantial risks, especially in an uncertain market like that of 2024. Investors need to weigh these risks and rewards carefully. Now, please take a look at Magnificent 7 financial forecasts coming from analysts. However, remember that all investments carry risks, and it's your responsibility to make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial insights. Stay informed and stay ahead.